Greetings and salutations YouTube, it's Hadrian here. Welcome to a new video. How's everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing splendiferously. I'm here today with a haul video, so if you guys are interested in seeing the thrifting videos for this particular haul, I'll have them linked right there and down below as well. And if you guys love thrifting and you love thrift hauls and you love vlogs, don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button to be notified because this is your one-stop destination for all that kind of stuff. And don't forget to add me on Instagram, itsHadrian, just like it's spelled here, and check out my shop at itsHadrian.com to see what I have for sale from my thrifting adventures. But without further ado, let's head into this haul. I got some really great stuff that I can't wait to share with you guys. Okay, so let me preface this first. So in this one, I'm going to show you guys what I ended up getting when I went to the grand opening of the Goodwill Cypress store in Orange County, California. It was amazing. If you guys saw the video that I did a vlog at the preview, they allowed a couple of us to go into the store the day before opening and check it out and give you guys all a sneak peek. And I put up stuff in my stories and I put up stuff on YouTube as well. And then the next day I went to the grand opening, which was intense. It was crazy, but it was so much fun. I got to meet so many of the thrift squad. So if you guys saw me there, it was so nice meeting all of you, and it was just a pleasure, and it was so much fun shopping with all of you. And the other store that I went to was Rare, which is like in Anaheim, which is a little bit further away, not too far, but it's like kind of on the same street, about like 15 or 20 minutes away on side streets. So it was pretty easy to get there from the Cypress store. Anyway, enough of that backstory. Let me start off first with the stuff that I got at the Cypress location, and then we'll make our way over to what we got at Rare. This is all pretty much also handbags. I'm trying to emulate Marie Kondo Marie. I don't know exactly what it is, but you know, trying to not bring too much stuff back into my life. I have no clue what I'm talking about. I'm cutting back first a little bit on like the random knickknacks and stuff until I get all that stuff more situated at the house. So I apologize for all those of you guys that love that kind of stuff, because trust me, I love it too. Don't worry, I'm not cutting it all out. I was just like, we're taking baby steps. So we're cutting it down a little bit. But don't worry, I'm still getting some pieces, and I have found some really great stuff. So check that out. It's just this video is pretty much all going to be handbags and wallets, and all this stuff is going to be up for sale in the shop for you guys. itsHadrian.com if anyone's interested. But let me start off first with these wallets. I got these two Spade wallets. Beautiful. This one is all fabric. I love the racing stripe down the middle, and the interior is kind of like a vachetta leather right there, but this is treated, so it's not gonna like patina like regular vachetta leather. But this was only $5.99, and it is such a gorgeous wallet. Love it. Oh yeah, you know what? I didn't even notice there was a back pocket back there, which is really nice. So $5.99. And the other one is an all-leather Kate Spade wallet. I love, this is one of my favorite turn locks from Kate Spade. It's like the little diamond square one. So that pops up like that, and then it has all of your card slots, your clear ID, and you can also put the cash up here as well. And then right here is the change, the zippered change purse section right there. And this guy was $6.99. Oh, also, if you guys remember, this is also the store where I found that Valentino bag. It's amazing. The Valentino, I believe it's called the camera bag, in black. I'll insert a photo if I remember, but I did end up giving it to Mom. So she's enjoying it now. I was going to keep it, but I was like, you know what? Mom's really going to enjoy this. And she is obsessed with that style, and she really wants the black shoes. So I think that if she ends up getting those shoes, she'll have a matching purse. So very excited about that. So she's very happy, which makes me happy. That's all that matters, right? So, and that one, I know a lot of people asked me how much that was. It was $14.99. The next thing I have here is this beautiful vintage Kelly style bag. It's so stunning in black leather, gold hardware, so pretty. Oh my gosh. It does also have a long strap as well, so you can carry it like that. Let's see how much this guy was. This one was $14.99, which is a serious deal. This bag is so gorgeous. This was another one I was gonna keep for myself, but I was like, Marie Kondo, Marie Kondo, Marie Kondo. So I think I'm going to actually be overhauling a lot of my collection. I only want to keep things that bring me supreme joy, which is very hard because a lot of things make me very happy, but also taking into consideration things that I use on an everyday basis. So I think we're going to have a personal handbag sale coming up very soon. I've already started listing a couple things. So if you guys have noticed in the shop, some of those things have popped up and some of you guys have already purchased them. So thank you guys for that. And yeah, but this bag is so pretty. I love it so much. It has the clochette, the key, it has the clochette with the keys inside and the lock as well. Continuing on also with Kate Spade, I did also find this beautiful Kate Spade satchel. I love this style so much. It's one of my favorite ones from Kate Spade. I love that it has this like zipper that runs across the top of the flap, and this actually goes all the way into the interior of the bag. And then here is this is actually the main compartment that has a zipper and then 2 pockets. And it has a top handle and it has the long strap as well. So I just love the versatility that this bag offers. I love this style. I love everything about it. And I love this pebbled leather. I think it's called, I don't know if it's called Cobble Hill, like the style of leather that Kate Spade uses, or if it's just a style of like a series of bags. I'm not too sure. But it's such a beautiful handbag and I love this one immensely. The next thing I have here, now this one is another amazing find. I cannot believe I found this at the same time as I found that Valentino bag. And it is this beautiful Burberry shoulder bag. It's so stinking cute. It does have the little buckle right there. It opens up with a zipper, like that. And then it just has one interior zipper pocket and then has the little logo right there. And then has like the little Made in Italy patch right there. And yeah, it zips up nicely like that, and it sits beautifully on your shoulder, just like so. So, again, this is another exciting find. I love this check. I think this is called the house check from Burberry, and I love the house check, and especially love it in the canvas. It's stunning. Okay, so this is the last thing, actually, that I got from the Cyprus store. And I love this bag so much. It's the Marc Jacobs satchel right here. It's in a cream color with contrasting maroon stitching, gold hardware. I always say that these bags are from the Gilmore Girl era because Lorelai always had Marc Jacobs bags on Gilmore. I don't remember a time when she carried a purse other than some sort of Marc Jacobs purse. And these are Marc Jacobs collection. They are made in Italy. They're beautiful. They're well made. The leather is exquisite. And I love this bag so much. I haven't found this style before, and this one is a stunner. So I'm very excited to offer this up for you guys. Again, this is also going to be in the shop along with the other items that I just showed you. And then the rest of these items are actually things that I got from Rare, which is a Goodwill boutique, and I bring you guys there all the time. It's one of my favorite places to go to, and they always have such awesome stuff. So the first thing I have here is this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful gray Rebecca Minkoff crossbody bag. This one is key. I don't know, Mom might actually keep this one. I'm going to show it to her and see if she likes it, but it's so cute. It has this is like her iconic like little detail that she has on a lot of her bags. The little thing, I don't know what this is called, but it has a zipper pocket right there. And this little panel right here is suede, and the rest of it is a beautiful gray pebbled leather. And the interior just looks like that with one little card pocket, and this one was $13. So stinking cute. And then the crossbody strap, it's nice. It's actually removable as well if you wanted to remove it. You can just use this as a clutch or just like a large pouch if you wanted to as well. But so pretty. I just love like the gray with a silver hardware. I just love that combination. And this is such a beautiful handbag. Like seriously, this is insane. I love this bag so much. I've been so blessed like the past few weeks. Like January has just been an amazing time for thrifting for me. It is crazy. Okay, so the next thing that I have here to share with you guys is this black pebbled tote bag, and the brand is, I always forget what it is. Where is it? Oh, Day in Mood. Day in Mood. That's what it is. Day in Mood. The leather on this is beautiful. I love that there's 2 zipper pockets on the front, and then it opens up very nicely like that. This is like perfect for every day because it's actually very light. School, work, you can use it as an overnight bag. You can use it when you go to the grocery store. Plus, Day in Mood bags are there. I love the leather that they use. It's always like this, like some sort of gorgeous leather. These are actually sold in Nordstrom, I believe, and I think they also carry them in other places, maybe Bloomingdale's. But this guy was $13, and I was slapped myself in the face with this thing. It was $13, and yeah, love it. Love this bag, and beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Then the next thing that I have for you guys, and this is the last item that I'm going to share in this haul, and this is a beautiful Marc Jacobs satchel. I love the nylon bags like this. These are Mom's go-to for travel. She loves the Marc Jacobs nylon bags whenever we go out, like whenever we go abroad or anywhere, because they're just nice. They're really light. They hold a ton. And this one is so cute. So it just has a flap, and then it opens like this with a zippered pocket and then 2 open pockets on the inside. The bag is in fantastic condition. It's gorgeous, and this guy was only $20. So I love that it has a long strap, and then it also has the shoulder strap. I was gonna say shorter, I was gonna say shoulder, but yeah, I think you can carry it just like that. So you can carry it 2 different ways, which I think is really nice, and it's just really comfortable to carry, really nice to like carry all your stuff, and yeah, I can't say anything else like about it other than that it's just so awesome, and that I love these bags so much. That's why whenever I see them, I always get them. And I know you guys are the same way because you guys love these bags too, which is why I'm always so excited to find them for you guys. And this one is actually in pretty great shape, and I'm super excited to have that in the shop. And I almost forgot to share with you guys this one last item. This was actually up behind the register when I found it, and I was so excited when I did. But it is this beautiful, it's like a nude blush colored Saffiano leather Michael Kors tote bag with gold hardware. I love this bag so much. It's so beautiful. The color is stunning. I love that there's a front pocket right here. You can put your cell phone in here or things that you need to get to really easily. And then the inside is awesome because it has a middle divider pocket. So you can put like important essentials like your wallet or whatever inside and zip it up, and you'll be like nice and secure that way. And then there's 2 compartments. You can fit your laptop in here, files, books. You can use this for school, work, every day, grocery store, wherever you may need it. But there's a zipper pocket in the back and then 4 open pockets as well. And that is the bag. Look at that. The color is stunning. It's so pretty. I love it so much. Yeah. But that is going to end today's video. Thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me today and checking out all my finds and checking out this, all the awesome handbags and wallets that I got. But if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to say hi down below in the comments, especially if you guys are new to the channel. Welcome. I'm so happy to have you guys here. And don't forget to check out today's vlog. It's up at 2 p.m. and the new thrifting video goes up tomorrow bright and early at 7. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye! Let's see what other goodies they have here today. They always have like an abundance of computer screens. A lot of this stuff I have no clue what it is, to be honest. Wonder if they have any keyboards. Microsoft.